Like and subscribe or you'll die tomorrow. So, this is the next episode, and I just literally finished the episode and then started a new episode. So, that last one, we basically did every other stupid YouTuber would do, and just skipped it all up, and decided, you know what, I'm not going to do any redstone. Yep, that's me. So, now that we finished with that part, and now we're not that dumb, we can actually keep going. Now, this one is going to be the complicated part, because there's four main things. There's kit PvP, survival, and then something else, and something else. Survival is going to be way more difficult to do. I will have to get a specific world, and Commander will help me with that. That's not right now. Now, for the other ones, it's also going to be very difficult, because there's going to be, like, there's going to be events places, or like, you know, games that you can just go on. So this will be very difficult to do, and also I have to keep finishing kit PvP, but for now I have to do a bit something different. I'm gonna do this the easy way, by the way, to get out, because I don't want to break any blocks anymore. So this is gonna be the second place, this is gonna be the third, this is gonna be the fourth, and then this is the first. I didn't really number them all, but I decided just to do what I can. So, I'm going to break the blocks for now. Actually, I don't think for survival we'll need to. But, you know what? I'll do it anyway, just to make sure. And then also for this thing. So, we're going to do like Sky Wars. This is going to be kit PvP. So, /holograms create kit PvP. Oh my god. /hologram edit kit PvP. Okay. /hologram add line kit PvP. Kit PvP /delete kit PvP /hologram delete kit PvP /hologram create HOJ kit PvP. There. So, now that you know it's just that, kit PvP. This is going to be a lot more easier. So that's survival. That's what we know. This is going to be Sky Wars. So, /hologram create our Sky Wars. Cool. And then this is the last one. Now, let's think. Maybe Bed Wars or Wool Wars? Or actually, let's do /hologram create Bed Wars. There. Bed Wars. So, now that that's done, I'm gonna cover up for now, and then we gonna get started with the kit PvP, all the things that we need to add into it. So, let's start. Oh god, this is gonna kill me. Okay, so let's go over there for now. Let's clear our inventory. Also, yes, I am a Skeppy. I'm a white duck Skeppy. I can be whatever I want. So, at this point, every player will have their specific chests. Or, I should say, not really specific. But, I'll probably, like, change it up for now. But this is also 1.2.2, so I really don't have much of an option to do a lot of stuff. But what we will do is hold on, I need to figure this thing out. So basically, the whole point of this is that you have a lot of kits. You're supposed to use them. Kits, tool, dual, firework. Such kits create. Such kit. Such kit. Tools. D tools. Notch. Color. Firework. Oh my god. Such kit. Slash kit help. Oh my god. Slash help kit. Oh, there you go. Okay, slash create kit. Slash create kit. Okay, slash create kit. OP. What do you mean by delay? Create a kit. Oh my god. Slash create kit OP 1. Created with 0 entries and delay 1. Okay, slash kit. Slash kits. Slash kit tools. Okay. Slash kit OP. Okay, so it has nothing. So I bet that's what you have in your inventory. So, if we would have done OP, we would have to go with this. Slash kit create, okay, slash create kit, and then name it. What's it gonna be? OP, and then 1. Okay, slash kit OP. Okay, this is actually working now. So when somebody goes up with kits, when they do slash kit OP, they will get the OP. Slash kit. I want to see what there's more. Slash kit notch. Oh my god. Does it really just give you Notch's head? Kit D tools. What's that? Oh, cool. Wait, what happens when I put it on? Slash broadcast. Hi. I could speak as broadcast. Okay, that's amazing. I didn't know that. I forgot about that. Okay, so we're gonna... Commander's gonna do that redstone since he's a master at it. Well, and the redstone for opening doors and closing. Yeah, so that's fine. Now that I created the kits, so they do slash kit, I could just do signs if that's the case. Okay. Please do slash kit and get your own kit. Oh, and choose one wisely. Okay. Rules. One. No auto clicker. 2. No mini map. 3. No special special accuracy with a mod. 4. No cheating. 5, no reach allowed. Oh my god, I hate this. No reach allowed. Oh my god. Guys, this is why you shouldn't, like, make Minecraft servers. Allowed. Okay. No cheating, no reach allowed. 6, no enchanting. There, that's 6 rules. Let's keep it easy. Let's give it, okay, if they need to look at what the rules are, they can just go up these stairs and read them, I guess. Yeah, so that if they go up here, they could probably read it. Okay. It's kind of difficult. Hold on. Please don't, what was it? Oh, please pick a kit wisely. There we go. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay, let's, actually, let's just make it like that. So that way, it's gonna be easier. There. Actually, that's not quite aligned. There we go. That's better. Hold on. Oh my god. No. Okay. Do I have any blocks here that I could... I have to go back all the way to spawn. Okay, there you go. Picked up a block. Let's go back to Kit PvP and let's finish this thing. Okay. So, now that you guys are... Now you viewers have watched me do the rules and get the kits all ready. Now we're ready for... well, I guess nothing else, because we really did something that should have taken me a while. Actually, I forgot what plugins I have in here. Admin chat, okay. Anti-VPN, better. Flytra, bounty. Ooh, you could put bounties on, I forgot. Okay, slash. Oh, Bed Wars, I forgot that I was ready for this. Slash help Bed Wars. Okay, slash Bed Wars. You're using Bed Wars help. Oh my god. Slash Bed Wars help. Okay. Let's let Commander do this, okay? I'm not the guy who would know this, so I'm gonna let Commander do this. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Once again, thank you so much for leaving a like and subscribing. If you don't subscribe and like, you will die tomorrow. That's a joke. Don't take it. But I do recommend you guys to subscribe and leave a like, because me, Commander, and Poland will be live streaming, recording, and uploading all kinds of stuff on Minecraft. So, yeah, this is my new server. Commander's going to help me out because he's good with redstone and I'm not, and commands. Poland is just going to do the background for everything, and while I'm going to make the stairways to go there and do some other stuff and record the whole thing. So, yeah, goodbye.